The project cost management knowledge area deals with planning, estimating, budgeting, and controlling costs to complete the project within the approved budget. Cost management is one of those areas that's deceptively small as a process, but when it comes to the controlling aspect of cost, it expands out when it comes to earned value. So, let's talk about the blanket statements in cost management. Plan cost management. We know that if we're working on a subsidiary plan, the project management plan is always an input. So the first process, plan cost management, will use the project management plan as an input. The output of plan cost management is the cost management plan. Your cost management plan is an output of plan cost management and then the input to the next process, which is estimate cost. So you can use your cost management plan as an input to estimate costs. Create WBS. The next process is Create WBS. This is where we create the hierarchical decomposition of the project. So for Create WBS, your major output is a combination of three things. It is called a scope baseline, and it contains your WBS, WBS dictionary, and project scope statement. Remember that decomposition is the major tool and technique used in Create WBS. Also remember there is a difference between control account and code of accounts. Code of account is the numbering system for the WBS. Control account is at a particular level in the WBS. It is usually a higher level where management wants to exert authority and control and visibility of what is happening on the project. Bear in mind that the lowest level of the WBS is called the work package. A planning package is above the work package level but below the control account level. Planning packages are used for rolling wave planning. Rolling wave planning enables you to plan at a high level for things that will happen in the future and plan in detail for things that will happen in the near term. So, if, for example, you have work that needs to happen in 2020, you don't need to plan it in too much detail. You can plan it at a much higher level, but when you get closer to 2020, you break that planning package open into work packages and activities. That takes us to the next process, validate scope.